Okay, in this video I'm just going to run through an IoT device I made for this dust extractor. So this is our Slack channel for a hackerspace, and when you plug the device in, so it gets power for the first time, the first thing it does is connect to the network, and it sends a message on Slack, which you can see coming up there, doubled up, to tell you which, how it's a device ID and the address. So if we go to that IP address in the browser, you can see you've got some HTML that's served by the Node MCU and dust extractor control, and you can see if we click on, make the request to the server, the unit will start, and then if we click off, it turns off instantaneously. We can also request the status, so if someone else turns it on manually, there's a push button on there to turn it on manually. You can make a request to it and see what the state is.